Okay, just a quick video, because this is the most critical point in this Klein bottle. In the diagram you see that the distance between the top of this part and the inside top of that part, which is there, I can measure. And this is just all about getting the hole in the right place. I'll just offset that a little bit so that I can use a vernier and get a measure. So again, find the top of that thing there, and it's 67. So the length of this part here, which brings it back from the end of this curve to the top of this, has to be 67, and it is, if I line everything up, close that little gap, 75. So I've got to make 8mm. And how I'm going to do that, I'm going to put an 8mm spacer on top of there, and that will bring that in line. Then I've got to locate the hole in the side of the this funnel part, and I'm going to do that by creating a short part coming down from the top. Find out where it touches the side, go through with a pilot hole, put the inside in, make sure it lines up. Well, when I say the inside, which will be this part of the curve inside there with the connector. I've just lost the connector, I'll find it in a minute. With one of these connectors pieces in there, find out where and make sure that lines up. Then I'm going to use a tapered like a tapered file or something like that, to maybe a piece of sandpaper wrapped around the taper, just to get that hole out to the right diameter in the right place, so I can move the hole a little bit as I'm doing that until everything lines up, and hopefully this part is going to pass through the side of that funnel in a hole in the right place. And when I put that curve back on that I just lost, drop somewhere, when I put this curve back on, then I can put that through the hole onto there and just put the top on, fit the top. So I'll video a little bit of that, like how I do the hole, but this bit's critical. I knew when I made that jig that this is probably going to be the case, that it wasn't exactly the same as this diagram, and all that is the segment's geometry is right. Oh, that's wrong, isn't it? Sorry, that's there. I've lost that piece. Let me just find that. Dropped. I can see it. There you are. So it's that piece there. Oh, that wrong way up now. So, and you see it's too long, but the important thing is that this is lined up exactly right, centre to centre. So by raising it up a bit, it's going to get my hole in a slightly different position to my diagram, but still reasonable. It'll, you know, give me enough space up the side of this that the hole isn't coming halfway through it or something. Alright, so I'll show you how I do the hole later on, but that's it for now. All the connectors are made, all of the parts are made, everything's glued up. Got that part, 3, 4, so 6 components. Right, thanks for watching.